Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to today's video. It's Saturday the 30th of November. It's probably about 9 o'clock at night. So this video will probably be in two parts because I'm going to show you some things that I'm giving away tomorrow. And then I won't publish the video until after they've been given away and received. And there may be some photos and things added to the end. All depends on what happens tomorrow. But first up, I'll share with you my Mean Mother's Creations delivery has arrived. I think it was Gretchen Murray who left a comment, art supplies. My art supplies have arrived. So those who have been following me for a while would know that I've been making this blanket for my son in Super Saver ombre in the colour hickory, and all I needed was one more big ball to do the border, because it's almost queen size. It's supposed to be like a throw or a little Afghan, but he's 6'3" and it got bigger and bigger. So that has arrived and I can finish that and say, I am done with that blanket. Now, I had free delivery, so I wanted to try a few things, and I haven't had sweet rolls before. I got this colour to see what it was like for a project and whether I'd get more. It's not quite the right colour. It's lovely and soft. Wow, they're really soft, but then I like Premier yarns. But I got one ball of that. And then I have a lady who comes to the market, my market stall. She always stops for a chat. She's bought different things from me before, and she always wears hot pink. And she's going to Russia in March, and she asked me to make her a pinky tones beanie with a pom-pom, and I bought this one, sweet roll, because I thought this looked like her, and if she likes it, I'm going to give it to her as a gift. She's going to St. Petersburg on some sort of ballet tour where they go to lots of ballets and watch them. She's really into that. She does have an accent, but I've never worked out where she's from. But yeah, she always stops and says hello. Sometimes buys something, sometimes just to have a chat. So that's that one. I don't know. It's a 4-weight, which will be nice for a beanie. It's lovely and soft, 100% acrylic. I'm trying to see what colour it is. Colour is Raspberry Swirl. This one is Blueberry Swirl. So there's those two. And I also bought this yarn I'd never seen before. Now, there is Lion Brand Bloom, and everyone says how lovely and soft it is and how nice it is. Well, Mean Mothers had this Heirloom Dazzle Star, and it's supposed to knit up like that, like Bloom does. Now, this is a 3-weight or 8-ply, 100% acrylic. There are 310 meters, can't convert that to yards, sorry, in each ball, and I got 4 of those. Now, everyone says Bloom is soft. This is soft, but not like super soft like this. This, yeah, it'd be okay for what I want it for, but yeah, if I do get around to knitting it up soon, it may not be till winter. Can't really see, but it's supposed to knit up like Bloom. But having said that, it was half the price of Bloom, so maybe the quality's not there. Who knows? But that was my art supplies that I received, which is great because that'll give me something to do over the Christmas break, finish the blanket. So tomorrow I'm off to my Ravelry meeting. We have a small Ravelry group. We meet once a month at Kazali's, which is an Australian rules football club. We get there at 10. We're going to have some coffee, chat, crochet or knit. And then at 12 o'clock, we're going to go to the dining room and have Christmas lunch. And we have to do a Secret Santa, of course. Sorry, excuse me for that. So I've sort of been racking my brain. I haven't wrapped it so far because I'm still undecided, but I have decided I would, because we don't get this here and I had ordered it online, I have 3 balls of Bernay Softy Baby, which is a 3-weight, which is great for here. It's flaring in the camera. It's sort of pinky white. trying to see what colour it is. Baby pink marble. So yeah, it's like a marbly white. And there's 3 of those in the pack. And then I am going to put a notebook, less drama, more llama. That's my Secret Santa so far. I may put a few stitch markers or maybe a measuring tape with it. There is a price limit we're supposed to go to, which is like $20. Well, the yarn alone is over that, but who cares? I just thought it'd be really nice to give the local ladies something they don't generally get here in a shop. So that was my Secret Santa for tomorrow. Now today, Ulia organises our Ravelry group. She started it and she does teach crochet. Today was her birthday. So happy birthday to Ulia. She put on Facebook, she's 114. And my comment to her was, she didn't look a day over 113. Bit cheeky. But I have done up a gift for her birthday. Now her favourite colour is red. She is red mad. And I have done up, and it's hard to see because I've wrapped it. It's got 2 little 50-gram balls of Lynn Craft cotton and a scrubby cotton in pink, because on that scrubby cotton is a pattern showing red cotton with the scrubby to make a mitt or something. So I thought that was good. And 3 little white Raffaello, Ferrero Rocher Raffaello chocolates. And you can't really see him, but that's a penguin done up in his snow gear with his hat and scarf in a basket. I'll show you what I mean. Because I bought 4 of these. I could only get 1 penguin, but there were 4 little gingerbread men that I'm going to use for gift baskets because I thought they were incredibly cute. Don't know about you, but yeah, little cane baskets. Someone has them made of felt. There's no label, so I assume they've been handmade. You know, it looks shop made. A little hat made of felt, all felt, and a little knitted scarf. And feet all stuck to a basket. I have this one and 3 more. So yeah, the one I've done for Ulia is actually a penguin. He's quite cute. And once the ribbon and paper's all off, you can see that. So also where we have our Ravelry meeting, Kazali's, the football club, they do their annual toy drive, Christmas toy drive, where you can leave must be new toys unwrapped in the big, looks like a big playpen, kids playpen in the foyer. And every year I do donate something, and I thought I'd show you this year what I'm taking along. Earlier on one of my videos, I think I have shown these because I shop for bargains during the year. And I'm taking along this. So they do older kids, like up to 14, and I thought some girl might like this. It's a beanie, comes with knitting needles, a pattern. There are 2 skeins. It's a complete kit, and I bought 2 of those. So I'm going to be donating those. And then I've got this, which I thought was really great, and I've picked up in a sale. It's called Magic Plate Kit. So it's a ceramic plate with 6 special markers that they colour in and decorate. Yeah. This one, I think, is a rabbit. So it starts like that, and then they colour it in like that. It's flaring because of the cellophane on the packet. So that's another thing. And then I have something I consider special. It's a book. We follow the West Coast Eagles because we're originally from the West Coast and we live on the East Coast. And one of the star players has written a children's book, Little Nick's Big Day Out, and it's Nick Natanui. Now the book is about being different. It's okay to be different. And he's written this, and I thought this would be great to donate. Now, years ago, it's probably about 4, maybe 5 years ago, my sister sent us a Nick Natanui doll. Yes, he has dreadlocks. Some old ladies knit these and sell them for charity. Nick Natanui has been known to turn up at Fates and stand there and autograph the shorts, but my sister sent this to us. He's kind of a family member that comes out every football season. Yes, he's very short AFL shorts. it's incredibly well knitted. There is no gaps in the stitches. I don't know how they do it. And he have a lot of handling. And sometimes I have to be careful that Baxter, the dog, doesn't grab him when he's out for football season. And he has been to work with me just to drive one of my bosses crazy who barracks for a Melbourne team. But there's my Nick Natanui, and they're my gifts I'll be dropping off. So that's it, folks. No finished objects. I am working on a new whip that I haven't done before. The Irigenia, I think that's how you pronounce it, shawl from The Secret Yarnery by Krista. There. I probably have been so busy I haven't done much crochet or knitting this week. The shawl itself, the pattern is great, and it's a really beautiful pattern. The yarn I've picked, I think I'm a little disappointed in the way the colorway's turning out, but I'm going to finish it, and I probably would make this shawl again in a different yarn or a different colorway. But when it's finished, I'll share it with you. So there you have it. That's what I'm up to tomorrow and my busy week of, yes, getting Happy Mail ready to send out, even to my son in London. We had some real special news this week that put a big smile on my face. No, I'm not going to be a grandmother. It was something else. It was just really nice. And yeah, Happy Mail for some subscribers and podcasters that I wanted to send out. So my tip to podcasters is on your channel, there's an about section. And if you have a mailing address like a post box, put it in there, because I don't really like to ask for mailing addresses. I look in there. I would not put your residential address, only if you have a post box where you can receive mail. And then other podcasters and subscribers like me can check it out and maybe send you something as a surprise, because that's kind of nice to get a surprise. Anyway, that's it for today. Take care of each other and have a crafty day. Maybe there'll be a second part to this video after tomorrow, depending on whether the ladies let me take some video or photos. Thanks again. Bye for now. Hi, I'm back. Part 2 from my big day out. I went to my Cairns Revelry Christmas group meeting. We had the meeting, like the get together from 10 till 12, coffee, chatted, laughed, shared stories, and I actually learnt some new yarns, I've never heard of. We did Secret Santa and had a long lunch. Such a long lunch. I was really tired and had to have a nana nap before I could do this video. I'm getting too old for long lunches. And anyway, I thought I'd share with you my Secret Santa gift, because I really like it. Here it is. It is a notions pouch, handmade by one of the ladies. Such beautiful work. I'll show you what's inside. Inside is a little scissor pouch. It's all matching. A little wallet where you can put all your little notions and needles and things. Inside this one, there's a little needle threader for your sewing needles. Little wallet. Then a pin cushion right down to matching coloured glass head pins. Look at that, and look at the workmanship in that. Isn't that awesome? Wish I could sew like that. And then also matching blue tape measure. She put a lot of thought into this, matching it all, making it. It's really lovely, and I love handmade gifts. I do. Unfortunately, my mother-in-law, God rest her soul, never did like handmade gifts. I couldn't give her anything handmade. The one time I did, I realised it was a big mistake. But anyway, this is going to be my travel pouch, emergency travel pouch. I'm going to stock it with gear and have it ready for those times when I go away overnight or long weekends, which I do a bit. So there you have it. I love the colours, and boy, I wish you could see the stitching and the workmanship. It is awesome. The lady who made it showed me a photo of the one she made for her daughter earlier in the year in pinks. God, she's really clever. So that was my big day out. There'll be some photos at the end of this video of the ladies. Not everyone is there. One lady is still recovering from a bad accident and couldn't make it. And one of the ladies who, for religious reasons, doesn't celebrate Christmas, which is fine. We don't, you know, we had our meeting from 10 till 12 where we normally get together, which she was welcome to, but didn't want to, you know, like the Christmas lunch and the Secret Santa weren't her thing, which is cool. So that's it. I've sort of lost my Crojo mojo a bit. I've probably been making so much stuff so quickly for the charity stores that I'm a bit burnt out. Might do some knitting and give myself a bit of a break, make something for me. Or I could get onto my son's blanket and finish that big blanket. Who knows? So I get in the comments below, tell me what you like to get in Secret Santa gifts. Do you like handmade? Do you like yarn? Or what have you? I'm really interested because I've never really done crafty Secret Santa and I was struggling for ideas. I did think of handmade, but I thought, oh no, they all make things. Maybe I'll give them something they don't have. The lady who got mine was wrapped, yarn that she'd never tried, and she makes baby blankets, so that's good. Okay, till next time, stay safe, take care of each other, and have a crafty day.